Hi, how are you? Today we're going to draw another picture in Islamic calligraphy. So it's going to be nice. Let's start the drawing. Every time we write something, the design and the effects become unique. I'm using the free handwriting skills here so that we don't use any instruments. As you know, Islamic calligraphy is a free flowing line. So after completing the lines here, then we are going to fill up the spaces in the middle of the word. Then the whole word is going to show a nice combination and the nice effects for the calligraphy. All right. Now I am starting filling up the spaces in the middle. Okay. The outside spaces, let's fill up here. All right. After the coloring is complete, you are going to see the whole word as a whole, and the expressions and the meaning becomes clearer and nicely visible. This is the first letter I'm filling up right now. Then I'm going to move to the next one. So all these letters you can see here, these are from the Arabic language. Usually most of the calligraphics are done in Arabic language, and some of the drawings are in English writings. So filling up the spaces in the middle, the first two letters are complete. Now I'm moving to the next one. All right. So you can see that this is a solid color, filling up the spaces in the middle uniformly. Okay. So this is it. The writing is done. I hope you like the video. Please subscribe the channel and put the bell icons on to get the updates. You can also browse through the playlist to select your choices from different categories. We have lots of drawings out there in separate categories. Calligraphy is only one of those sections. So, thanks for watching. I hope you like it. Thank you so much. Have a good day.